Hi, I'm Doug from Leach Camper Sales in Lincoln, Nebraska. We're located at 27th and Cornhusker. Easy access is off of Interstate 80. Just take exit 403 and come southbound for 3 miles. Just want to feature one of our products today. It's a 2020 Passport, model number 239ML. Unit weighs about 4,300 pounds, so it's towable with a lot of different towing vehicles. It's a fiberglass sided unit with a bonded construction on the walls, so it's hail resistant. Another nice feature that Passport does is, instead of using a lot of wood products here to support the infrastructure, you actually have a welded aluminum frame in the cargo bay. Okay. Comes with 4 mechanical stabilizer jacks. And we're just going to go around the outside and we'll go on the inside for just a few seconds. Over here is an outside kitchen. It's got a 2-burner cooktop. It does actually have a sink. There is a refrigerator that normally goes there, but for security reasons we take the refrigerators out until the unit is sold. It has an electric awning and speakers. Water heater is 6-gallon gas electric right here. Comes with a spare. And right here, it does not have a bumper. They're trying to make it lighter, but they do provide you with a sewer hose container. And this particular box here is for cable hookup. One of the unique things about Keystone products is they've taken all the garbage and cabling out of their units, so it doesn't impede on access to satellite and cable. Real unique thing about Keystone products. Has a cast aluminum wheel. It does have an outside shower, which is a nice feature. And it also has a black tank flush, which is a nice feature on something in this product price range. And that's about it on the outside. Here's your city water hookup and your gravity fill. This unit is approximately 25 feet long, and again, as I said, it was about 4,300 pounds in dry weight. Stepping inside, Jenna, if you get a close-up of this price, and it has a stock number there if you folks want to refer to that on our website, but it retailed for around $28,000. Our price out the door is $20,500. We don't have dock fees or any extra fees on our products. Wouldn't include a brake control or hitch, of course, but that's an out the door price. One thing unique about this, it has a Murphy bed. Right now the bed is obviously displayed. All you have to do is lift up on the unit and secure it. The nice thing is it has a couch. So when you're sitting on this couch, I'd point to, we do have a television up there that's on a swing bracket up in the corner. You also have a dinette, and currently it's positioned so that you can break the cushions down and use it for sleeping. And then in the back, we have 2 real large double bunks in the back. Another nice feature is it's got like a farm sink in it. Get some of those bigger pots and pans in there for washing and whatnot. 3-burner stove, and they did put a nice glass cover on it so that you can use this for additional working space. 6 cubic foot refrigerator, which is pretty standard in the industry. And you have a tub shower combination in the back for the unit. And that's about it. Great little unit, great for grandparents if they want to take a few grandkids with them. You can also take these out or leave them in here and use it for storage if you wanted to, with plastic tubs and whatnot. I want to thank you for visiting us today, and come on out to Leach's.